If you're using e-commerce, you're going to love this update. This feature update enhances e-commerce's capabilities by enabling more accurate shipping calculations and inventory management. This is going to help you have much more accurate shipping costs. Your business can now provide precise shipping rates based on product weights and dimensions. It's also going to help with enhanced inventory management. Now you can streamline inventory tracking and management by adding SKU numbers. This is also going to streamline your product listings. Now you can add comprehensive product information to create much more detailed and informative listings for your customers. Now, when you sell a bunch of different products online, you can input the weight, dimensions, and the SKU for each and every single item, enabling the system to calculate exact shipping costs dynamically and streamlining your inventory management. First, let's make sure we've got a product created. So this is a payments feature. So you'll be under payments in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to select products. Then you're going to either create or edit a product. You'll want to have your variant set up. That is going to be under product editing, then variants, and then you're going to go to the variant's name. Now within the variant details, you're going to add your inventory and your shipping information, including the weight and the dimensions. The addition of product weights, dimensions, and the SKU fields is really going to enhance e-commerce functionality. This is paving the way for accurate shipping and efficient inventory control for your business, which is going to save you both time and money. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.